Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Google Go widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is press and hold on a screen to see the widget below. Okay, tap widget. In widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, for my example, I add Google Go widget to my home screen. And okay guys, to do that, you'll have to do is tap and hold the Google Go widget and slide to select the position. And after you select the position, okay, release it, and that's it. We have successfully add Google Go widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.